plaque. Here's a simple housewife trick that lets you slip out of the dentist's chair. Plaque is something that just everybody with teeth gets. Babies, you're lucky. For now, the nasty stuff can be expensive to get rid of since you have to go to the dentist to have it removed. Or do you? My grandmother taught me a trick for removing plaque when I was a kid and it's saved me a lot of money over the years. It's a simple household remedy that's quick and easy and only uses ingredients that you already have at home. And did I mention, it's scientifically proven to work? The trick to fighting plaque is easy and you can do it at home tonight. What you need: 1. Salt. All you need is common household salt. About a teaspoon is enough. Put it in a small glass or mug. 2. Baking soda. Add about 2 teaspoons of baking soda to the salt. Mix carefully. 3. Water. Slowly add about a teaspoon of water and stir. The paste should be firm enough to put on your toothbrush. Directions. Now, all you have to do is brush your teeth with your homemade toothpaste. Brush for about 3 minutes and try to reach all your teeth. Then rinse with water. That's how easy it is. Repeat this procedure once or twice a month to keep plaque and the dentist away. Tip: avoid getting any toothpaste on your tongue. It tastes salty and bitter. Share this clever household remedy with your friends so that they also get rid of plaque in minutes, without spending any money or going to the dentist. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. If you want more natural cures and weight loss tips, subscribe to the channel.